In this video I'm going to talk about old tires and how dangerous they really are. I had a little experience yesterday and let me show you what happened. Take a look at this picture of this tire. It lost a chunk as I was riding. Anyway, so fortunately I had another tire in the rack and I changed the tire, and as I was changing the tire I want to show you what was going on with this tire. When I first saw this tire, it looked fine. It was almost brand new. Well, it probably didn't even have 100 miles on it. There was no checking or nothing, and it seemed to be a decent tire. But after driving on it for about 50 miles, I lost a chunk, and this thing started to shake and wobble, and I'm like, this is not good. So I changed the tire, and as I was changing the tire, I got this. Check this out. This thing was like giving away. Like, that's a blowout waiting to happen, and I'm lucky it didn't happen to me. So how do you prevent this? Well, I'd have looked at this thing, and it's called the datecode. 1981. And it's 2018. So this tire is, even though it looked like it was in good shape, it was 37 years old. That's old tire. Old tires are not safe. Here's the picture of my new tire. It's not old. It's a Dunlop. It's only a couple of years old based on the date stamp. You'll find even tires that have been sitting in a dealer's shop for a long time look great, but if they're old, don't buy them. Now it's where it belongs, in the old tire pile, ready to go back to the recycle center. And that's where junk like that belongs. Leave a comment below, like it, share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.